Hello, in this video I will show you 3 ways to capture the screenshot on Oppo A5. So first method is by using two buttons, volume down button and power button. So click it in the same time and now as you can see screenshot was taken. Also another way is by using three fingers gestures but make sure is that enabled on your phone. So go to the settings, accessibility and convenience. Now go to screenshot and enable these two features. Three finger swipe down and three finger touch and hold. So now, three finger gestures is by using that. Three fingers and scroll down. As you can see, I made the screenshot. Also, I enabled a second option like three finger touch and hold. Take a partial or scrolling screenshot. So hold three fingers on the screen, and now I am able to make the partial screenshot from here. As you can see, I can just select what I want to make the screenshot like that. Also, when it's done, you can click on this check mark. The third way to make the screenshot is by quick settings menu. So swipe down your quick settings menu, swipe down again, go to right, and here you can find screenshot icon. So you can just simply click on it, and now I made the screenshot. Now your screenshots you can find in the photos, and this is my screenshots over here. So basically that's all. Thanks for watching and subscribe this channel.